Screwfix Live's at a new venue this year, the brand new Farnborough Exhibition Centre. It's been probably the busiest year. We've been coming here for the last 3 years. We've seen more customers today, I think, than we saw last year, which is always a good sign. So actually we're launching a new service. We've already got around 60 products in the smart home market. And today we're here to talk to people about installing those products, how they can construct a new business really in installing smart home.
It's an incredibly easy system to use. I'm a technophobic. A year ago I would never dream of doing a smart home, and now I tell people how to use it. So give it a try, I think you'll enjoy it.
We're really excited to be at Screwfix Live 2018. We're having a big presentation later at 4 o'clock, which will tell people how to install their smart home products.
And this isn't the plug and play, consumer goods market. This is the I want smart home installed market, okay? As that emerges through 2019, you need to be ready to be active in that sector, and I'm going to talk to you about how you can do that today.
So these are our apps. They work off both the iOS and Android platforms. They are really, really easy to download, install and use. You can control your heating, your lighting and all of the electrical appliances in and around your home. It's just a great way for you to use, enjoy and make the most of our product.
The best place for information for MiHome products is to visit energenieforyou.co.uk.